I'm here with Chef Zayn from Veggie Swahili Cuisine, taking you to the island of Mombasa.
And I'm making today one of our staple foods from Mombasa.
Ooh.
This is going to be spinach with some green beans, peas with carrots. So I'll fry some of these chopped onions.
Okay.
And this is red onions, by the way.
Okay.
Yeah.
So do you like red onions? Does that give a different flavor?
I do. It brings a very fresh kind of flavor and very authentic. This is a very simple recipe. One of my favorites also. It's so easy to digest and very healthy.
And
the spices are very mild and medium. And this is actually originally one of the Swahili foods.
I see, this is original Swahili.
So we'll do a little bit of the crushed onions.
Oh yeah, that is.
Yeah.
I love
So
that.
I'll do
The
like
Goya
a teaspoon.
minced garlic. Just
Yes.
squeeze that in there. You don't have to cut anything.
I love the.
It's ready to go.
You have to fry it a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah.
The garlic.
And then I'll do the spinach.
Yeah.
It's a cup of spinach.
That's I know all these vegetables. Goya makes the spinach and the carrots and peas. Makes everything.
And it's so convenient again. It's easy because it comes ready chopped.
Oh, I love spinach when it's already chopped. I had to worry about washing it, cleaning it, doing anything else.
And I'll do some of the peas and carrots.
Lots of green.
Yeah. It's very simple and very easy to make. I have some Szechuan salt.
The Szechuan?
Yes. Just to give it a little bit of flavor. And I'll do a little bit of salt.
Yeah, sea salt.
Yeah.
Yummy.
So. And now we're going to add some of the crushed tomatoes. This is Goya product also. I'll use like some of that.
Yum. This looks really delicious, but also healthy. Like you were saying, it's very fresh and healthy too.
Very fresh and very easy to make. You just need to cook it for a little bit because most of these greens and vegetables, you want them crispy and crunchy. It's ready. Karibu, Cindy.
Thank you,
You
Chef.
can add some beef cubes if you like to.
I like this veggie.